Hello and welcome to the Verman Fan TV after San Miguel notches another third win over Morocco Bolts. Final score 94-86 in favor of the San Miguel Verman. Best player with 9 points, 5 rebounds and 2 blocks. Wala nang iba kundi si Chris Ross. San Miguel definitely still unbeaten in the last 3 games after a loss in the first game of the second season conference of the Commissioner's Cup. San Miguel dominates in the second half, kaya medyo pantay ang laban nung una, kaya lang ang problema nun si Tyler Wilkerson na foul trouble ng maaga with 3 fouls now going for the fourth. But in the second half, he avoided from the first half from foul trouble as he was safe in the ball game. Yung sa panig ng Meralco ay nagdamihan ng mga major intentional problems dahil naka-apat na technical and flagrant fouls ng mga players ng Meralco Bolts. Kaya it's a big thing na may chance pang manalo itong San Miguel Verman. And they deserve well na sila ang unang team na nabiktima ng Meralco sa unang ng pagkatalo. Now Meralco is no longer as the unbeaten in the second conference. Now with 5 wins, 1 loss. SMB now moves to 3-1 record from the standings of the Commissioner's Cup. Kaya pagigihan nila sa susunod na laban dahil mabigyan ng kakalabanin nito. Maraming mga kundi sa team ng Rain or Shine Last Painters. Kaya practice muna ang gagawin nila sa susunod ng laban. My best player of the game will be Espinas because naka-discipline siya sa paglalaro. Salamat na lang at naka-shoot ng short range passes. Kaya he can box out as well and he grabs in a rebound. Kaya just sakto lang sa scoring saka sa stats niya upang manalo itong San Miguel Verman kontra sa Meralco. And now San Miguel gives Meralco a first victim and major problems of this second conference. Kaya solved na ang San Miguel. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/TheBeermanFanTV. Follow us on both Twitter and Instagram sa The Beerman Fan TV. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok sa The Beerman Fan TV. Ako po si Andrew Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Shut up. Bye.